From the stone tools of our ancestors to the digital marvels of today, humanity's journey has been a testament to innovation. As we stand at the cusp of the AI era, let's embark on an exploration of this transformative chapter. From the invention of the wheel to the creation of the internet, our journey has been marked by breakthroughs. These seismic shifts in technology have not just been about new inventions, but about redefining our lives and societies. The wheel, for example, wasn't just a tool for transportation, but a catalyst that accelerated the pace of human progress, sparking new ways of thinking about movement and trade. Similarly, the advent of the internet wasn't just about connecting computers, but about connecting lives, bridging gaps across continents, and facilitating an exchange of ideas at a scale never seen before. It has reshaped how we work, learn, communicate, and entertain ourselves. Now, as we stand on the brink of the AI era, we are poised for the next major breakthrough. AI holds the potential to be more than just a new technology. It promises to be a transformative force, just like the wheel and the internet, that could redefine our lives, societies, and the very fabric of human civilization. So let's gear up to delve into this exciting new chapter of our journey. As the wheels of progress continue to turn, we find ourselves in the midst of the digital age. This new era, marked by the proliferation of digital technology, has brought us closer than ever before. The barriers of distance have been broken down, allowing us to connect with people from across the globe at the click of a button. It is as if the world has shrunk, fitting snugly into the palm of our hands. But the digital age isn't just about connections, it's about enhancements. It's about using technology to improve the quality of our lives and experiences. And at the heart of these enhancements stands artificial intelligence. With AI, our connections are not just simplified, but deepened. AI can help us understand each other better, bridge language gaps, and even anticipate our needs before we articulate them. However, as we embrace the opportunities of the digital age, we also need to understand and navigate its complexities. It's a world that's still evolving, with new technologies, new rules, and new challenges. But as we've done throughout history, we will learn, adapt, and evolve. As we navigate the digital age, AI stands to enhance our connections and experiences. It's not just about making our lives easier, but about making them richer and more meaningful. So, let's continue our journey and explore the fascinating world of AI and its potential to transform our lives. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, it is necessary to remember that AI is not just about technology, it's about people. It is about how we, as humans, interact with this technology and how it can enhance our capabilities. The human aspect of AI is a critical component that is often overlooked. AI is designed by humans, for humans. Therefore, our values, our needs, and our experiences should be at the heart of its development. AI has the potential to augment our abilities, not replace them. It can assist us in tasks that are beyond human capacity, help us make more informed decisions, and even provide us with new ways of perceiving the world. But it's not just about enhancing our capabilities, it's about enhancing our humanity. AI can help us address some of the most pressing challenges of our time, from climate change to healthcare. It can help us understand and empathize with different cultures, and even bridge societal divides. As we continue to develop AI, it is vital that we prioritize the human aspect. We need to ensure that AI is built with empathy, understanding, and respect for human dignity. We need to ensure that it benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. As we move forward, let's remember that as much as AI is about technology, it's also deeply about people. After all, AI is not just a tool for progress, but a mirror reflecting our shared human values and aspirations. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, it's clear that AI is transforming the way we live, work, and play. Every day, AI is becoming more integrated into our lives. From voice-activated assistants that help us manage our schedules, to recommendation algorithms that curate personalized content, AI is making our daily lives more convenient and personalized. But it's not just our personal lives that are being transformed. AI is dramatically reshaping the workplace. Automate systems are now capable of performing tasks that once required human intervention, freeing up employees to focus on more complex, creative tasks. AI-powered analytics are helping businesses make smarter decisions, boosting productivity and efficiency. Beyond work, AI is also enhancing our leisure activities. From AI-powered game engines that create immersive dynamic experiences, to smart home devices that adjust our living environments to our preferences, AI is making entertainment more interactive and personalized. As we embrace AI, we are not just adopting new technology, we are transforming the way we live, work, and play. We are entering a new era where AI doesn't just assist us, but enhances our experiences and opens up new possibilities. So let's continue to explore, innovate, and embrace the potential of AI. After all, AI is not just about the technology, but about the people it serves and the lives it enriches. Our story with machines began with rudimentary calculations. Over decades, this relationship evolved, giving birth to the internet, personal computers, and the first glimpses of artificial intelligence. Fast forward to today, robots have transcended assembly lines. There are collaborators in medicine, space exploration, and even the arts. Parallel to robotics, the AI revolution surged. Algorithms began shaping our digital experiences, making them more personalized, intuitive, and interactive. Institutions like OpenAI are pioneering this frontier, crafting innovations like GPT and Bard. These aren't just lines of code, they're the building blocks of our digital future. With AI, professions are undergoing a metamorphosis. Journalists, designers, analysts, and educators are harnessing AI to elevate their craft. The workplaces of tomorrow are digital realms where humans and AI collaborate, innovate, and co-create. Education is being reimagined. Classrooms are evolving into dynamic spaces where traditional learning meets AI-driven exploration. This journey is about community, ethics, and shared visions. It's a global conversation, ensuring that the AI-augmented future is inclusive. As we embrace this new era, AI seamlessly integrates into our daily narratives, aiding us in myriad ways. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing diagnostics, robotic surgeries, and personalized medicine. Title: AI and Us: Navigating the Digital Renaissance.